So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. In this video I am gonna draw an animator by drawing it in a very easy way, and I am gonna draw it in this sketchbook and only using two pencils. And I also have drawn two anime girls previously, so you haven't watched those videos, so just check it out on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and share this video with that friend who still don't know how to draw anime girls. Let's get started. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next part. And thanks for watching.